In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and edit your security settings on HubSpot. Whether you're working on tightening up your security protocols or just looking to add an extra layer of peace of mind to your account, this guide will walk you through the essential steps. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to make your way over to the HubSpot user guide. You can easily access this guide by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the HubSpot website. Once you've landed on the home page, you should see a straightforward path to access the user guide. This is where you'll begin your journey to modifying your security settings. When you've located the user guide, the next thing you'll want to do is click on the Settings option. This can usually be found in the upper right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Clicking on this will open up a menu where you can delve deeper into configuring various aspects of your account. The Settings section is your command center, where customization and control are at your fingertips. After opening the Settings menu, look for the Security tab in the list of options displayed. With a simple click on Security, you'll enter a section specifically dedicated to controlling your security preferences. It's here that you can oversee and alter any aspect of your account's safety measures. Now, let's move on to configuring your Single Sign-On, or SSO for short. On the Security page, you should find an option that says Configure Single Sign-On. Clicking on this will lead you to a more detailed page where you can define how your single sign-on preferences will operate. Configuring SSO helps streamline the login process, making it more secure by allowing you to access HubSpot using a single username and password combination, typically managed through an identity provider. So, there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be able to find and edit your security settings on HubSpot, adding an essential layer of safety and personalization to your account. Remember, keeping your security settings up to date is crucial for ensuring your information remains protected and your user experience remains seamless. Don't hesitate to explore these settings periodically as cybersecurity evolves, keeping your account secure and in line with the latest standards. Thanks for following along, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides like this one.